Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
Yeah. Up there. With your head up there. We will be going. We're here with KxngYin, a beautiful poet, and she's actually in Studio M, and she's gonna tell you a little bit about herself. So tell me about yourself, KxngYin.
Hello. My name is KxngYin, and I am a spoken word artist from Brampton.
It's a little bit loud in here, so you don't know.
I'm a spoken word artist. I've been doing spoken word since February of 2022, and since then I knew I was on a mission. It was my purpose, and I've really been stepping into it.
So where people can find you?
On Instagram at KxngYin, KxngYin. You can find me online, www.KxngYin.com. Anywhere, search up KxngYin, you'll find me.
Alright. So you're on YouTube, Facebook?
Yes.
Alright.
YouTube, The Art of KxngYin. Yeah.
The what?
The Art of KxngYin.
The Art of KxngYin.
Yeah.
Alright, you hear that people, some Chinese singing, hiya! Alright, but give me a little intro of your poem, the one you're gonna release soon. Give me the intro, because I don't know. Alright, let's get into action.
Black queen, I have to come clean as I have foreseen the outcome of our relationship. It started at 14. 14, wide-eyed with pride. I was only friends with guys. I believe girls only carried lies and cries and eyes that death stared into my soul.
You don't know, I'm only brought to you by Careface CVP in a Studio M, 1672 Eglinton Avenue West. Studio M. Check us out. Honor and respect.
Thank you, Careface.
Honor.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.